Hi guys, now we are going to see in this lecture about slaughter machine. What is a slaughter machine? In slaughter machine there is a reciprocating type of machine tool similar to shaper or a planer machine. It may be considered as a vertical shaper. The main difference between the slaughter and shaper is direction of the cutting action. The difference between the slaughter and shaper depends upon their direction. The slaughting machine operates in a manner similar to a shaper. Slaughting machine operation is similar to the shaper machine. So, however, the cutting tool moves vertically in vertical direction rather than in a horizontal direction. In slaughter machine, cutting tool works in a vertical direction, but in shaper machine it is work in horizontal direction. The workpiece is held stationary. In slaughter machine, the workpiece is held stationary. The slaughting machine has a vertical ram and hand or power operated rotary table. Now we are going to see about principal parts of a slaughting machine. See in this figure, there is some parts. Here is a ram, crank disc, this is a lever, bull gear, cone pulley, then cross feed handle is here, table is here, then cross slides, feed gear, base, column, feed shaft, fall. Now we are going to see one by one. First, bed or case. Bed or case is made of cast iron. Bed is made up of cast iron. Material is used of cast iron. It supports column, tables, ram, drying mechanism, etc. Means all parts are assembled on bed. Then next is cross slide. Cross slide can be moved parallel to the face of the column. It moves parallelly. The circular work table is mounted on the top of the cross slide. Then third, hand wheels. Hand wheels are provided for rotating the table. It is used for rotate the table for the longitudinal and cross transfers. Column is the vertical member. They are made up of cast iron. This is also made up of cast iron. It houses the driving mechanism. Then ram. In last lecture we have seen about the ram. Ram is provided to reciprocate to and fro motion. At the bottom of the ram, it carries the cutting tool. It is more massive and moves vertically at the right angle to the work table instead of having the horizontal motion of the shaper. In shaper machine we have seen about the ram that the cutting tool moves in horizontal direction, but in slaughting machine it moves in vertical direction, up and down. Table holds the workpiece and adjustable in a longitudinal crosswise direction. Table is used specially for hold the workpiece. The operations which is performed on a slaughting machine as mentioned below. First, the slaughting machine can be used to cut slots, splines, keyways for both internal and external jobs such as machining internal and external gears. Especially the slaughting machine used in gear manufacturing industries. Main purpose is to make keyways, spline keyways, making slots. For such type of operation, slotting machine is very useful. It can be used for shaping internal and external forms of profiles. It also used for making forms or profiles internally, also externally. It can be used for works as machining concave, circular, semicircular, and convex surfaces. It can be used for machining vertical surface, machining angular or inclined surfaces. It is also used for blind holes, also used for dies and punches. Now we are going to see about mechanism of slaughter, driving mechanism of slaughter. There are 4 types of driving mechanisms used in slaughter for driving the ram. For driving the ram, following driving mechanisms used. First is slaughter disc mechanism, second slaughter link mechanism, third variable speed reverse motor driving mechanism, fourth is hydraulic driving mechanism. Now we are going to see about specification of slaughter. These are the specification which is used for slaughter machine. The maximum stroke length of a slaughter machine, diameter of rotary table of slaughter machine, maximum travel of saddle and cross slide, type of drive used, power rating of motor, net weight of a machine, number of amount of feeds, floor area required. These are the specification of slaughter machine. And work holding devices which is used for slaughter machine. Number 1, vice, T-bolts and clamp special fixture. These are the things which is used for work holding devices. Vice is used, T-bolts and clamps and some fixtures are there which is used to hold the devices. Slaughter tools, that is bit tools, round nose tools for machining contour surface, square nose tools for flat surfaces. In this way we have completed second chapter, that is shaping and slotting machine. Okay, thank you guys.